Hey everyone, it's Colin, how's it going? Some people who are interested in modded retro consoles look to others for their expertise and skills. This is a custom frontlit Game Boy Color from the Etsy store ChopsWare, who sent it to me to check out. An original atomic purple shell was used, along with its buttons and membranes. This Game Boy features a front light, which was installed really nicely. There aren't any bubbles, spidering, or other imperfections that can be common with this mod. Going a step further, a toggle switch has been fitted to the front of the shell, so the front light can be turned on and off. Aside from the switch being black and not dark gray like the buttons, it fits in well and doesn't overly stand out. Overall, the quality of this console is pretty good. It arrived relatively clean and without any noticeable scratches or scuffs, and the replacement screen cover still had its protective plastic. I did notice a small amount of battery leakage left on one of the spring terminals, and some of the wiring had a bit too much insulation stripped off, but neither of these is a big deal functionally. Speaking of deals, a basic frontlit Game Boy Color like this goes for $60 US, which I think is a fair price. ChopsWare offers frontlit and backlit GBAs as well, plus game carts featuring ROM hacks and homebrew. So if you're in the market for custom retro gaming hardware but aren't up to the task yourself, I think a console from ChopsWare is definitely worth considering. Big thanks to ChopsWare for sending this one my way. I'll include links down in the description. If you liked the video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at thisdoesnotcomp, and as always, thanks for watching.